Sri Sudarshana Mahamantra. Sri Sudarshana Mahamantra is considered to be the most sacred and potent. Sri Sudarshana Mahamantra is recited to accomplish any task successfully and also for prosperity. It helps to remove negative energies and helps to heal the body and mind. In this Sri Sudarshana Mahamantra, all types of diseases are checked and removed their causes. The devotee is getting relieved from all types of sins. This mantra can also be used in Sri Sudarshana Homa. The person on behalf of whom the Homa or Japa is performed should be physically present in the venue of Homa or Japa. In a glass of water, we can put few tulasi leaves and covering the top of the glass using our right hand palm. This mantra can be recited and the sacred water can be given to or taken by the patients who are suffering from unidentified illness. This Sudarshana Mahamantra is a treasure and a kavacha in the hands of Sri Mahavishnu devotees. This is a powerful mantra which removes all obstacles and obstruction that hamper the efforts of anyone. It helps to the successful completion of all the efforts. It removes worries and brings happiness to the concerned person. The japa or homa should be performed with a clear and clean mind. Performing the Sudarshana Mahamantra japa or homa in house or in office can help to ward off all evil forces and sorrows. Sarve Janas Sukhino Bhavantu.
Sri Sudarshana Mahamantra. Om Srim Hrim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Paraya Paramapurushaya Paramatmane Parakarma Mantra Tantra Yantra Aushada Visha Avichara Astra Sastran Samhara Samhara Mrityor Mochaya Mochaya Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Om Prom Rim Gham Dhitre Jwala Parithaya Sharvadikshobanakaraya Hum Fat Parabrahmane Param Jyotise Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Sudarshanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Mahachakraya Mahajwalaya Sarvaroga Prasamanaya Karmabandha Vimochanaya Padadimastavaryantam Vadajanita Roghan Pittajanita Roghan Sleshmajanita Roghan Dhadu Zangali Godbhava Nana Vikara Roghan Najaya Najaya Prasamaya Prasamaya Arogyam Dehi Dehi Om Sagastarahum Fat Swaha. Om Srim Hrim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Vallabhaya Haraya Paramapurushaya Paramatmane Parakarma Mantra Tantra Yantra Aushada Visha Avichara Astra Sastran Samhara Samhara Mrityor Mochaya Mochaya Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Om Prom Rim Ram Dhitre Jwala Parithaya Sharvadikshobanakaraya Hum Fat Parabrahmane Param Jyotise Swaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Sudarshanaya. ಓಂ ನಮೋ ಭಗವತೆ ಮಹಾಸುದರ್ಶನಾಯ ಮಹಾಚಕ್ರಾಯ ಮಹಾಜ್ವಾಲಾಯ ಸರ್ವರೋಗ ಪ್ರಶಮನಾಯ ಕರ್ಮಬಂಧ ವಿಮೋಚನಾಯ ಪಾದಾದಿಮಸ್ತಪರ್ಯಂತಂ ವಾದಜನಿತ ರೋಗಾನ್ ಪಿತ್ತಜನಿತ ರೋಗಾನ್ ಶ್ಲೇಷ್ಮಜನಿತ ರೋಗಾನ್ ಧಾತುಸಂಗಲಿ ಗೋದ್ಭವ ನಾನಾ ವಿಕಾರ ರೋಗಾನ್ ನಾಸಯ ನಾಸಯ ಪ್ರಸಮಯ ಪ್ರಸಮಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಂ ದೇಹಿ ದೇಹಿ ಓಂ ಸಹಸ್ರಾರಹಂ ಫಟ್ ಸ್ವಾಹಾ.